But the multi event is just around the corner. But guys, we have a serious problem right now.
What is it?
The problem will affect our communication.
Let us what the problem is. Probably we can solve it all together.
I couldn't get the walkie-talkie from FSGK. They can't provide us any because of some various problems.
What? Really? The walkie-talkie is very important for us.
Yeah, I know it. Walkie-talkie is important to us to ensure the event going successful and smoothly.
Yes, you're right. It is important, especially for us to alert the queue. In event management, communication is just as vital. Our community event, for instance, I know just how important effective and communication is here.
I know, but I just can't do anything about it. I don't have any idea to solve this problem.
We too, I just can't think about a solution. Perhaps we can meet our production manager and ask her for maybe.
Sure, she probably can help us.
Yeah, you guys are right. Let's go. And dinner.
Hello, PM. Hi.
Hello.
Are you busy? No. Why? Please have a seat.
We came to ask your opinion on how to solve our problem in our faculty event.
Sure. Tell me what is the problem.
The thing is, I couldn't get the walkie-talkie from asset unit. This will be a big problem for us, especially.
That's true. We will have serious communication problem during the event.
We hope to hear some suggestions from you as we couldn't think of any solution.
That's actually not a big deal. We all have smartphone, right?
Yes. How a smartphone can help us to solve our problem?
We can download Zello Application to replace the walkie-talkie.
What is Zello Application?
Zello Application is the cell phone walkie-talkie application for mobile devices like iPhone and Android. It is two push-to-talk PTT application version and a free personal application and a paid version for work. Zello is available worldwide and it allows us to stay connected whenever Wi-Fi and mobile data are available.
Oh, really? Is it different from the traditional walkie-talkie?
Yes, unlike the traditional walkie-talkie radios, Zello walkie-talkie application has no limit to users and is a secure push-to-talk app.
Wow, the invention really help us to solve our problems.
I know, right? Fortunately, our PM really have the idea to solve our problem.
That's great. Thank you, PM, for your idea.
You're welcome.
Bye, see you.
Thank you.
Let's go, guys. Stay.